Welcome to the jungle. Once in a forest there was a man named Ali. He was scared because some ghosts lived in an old mansion in the jungle. One day the ghosts were searching the gatekeeper of towers. The gatekeeper of towers was Princess Maya. She was very powerful and brave. The policemen Troy, Noah, Jake, Gia, Emma, Orion, Roy and Jaggles wanted to save the earth. Raka, the minister of the ghost, wanted collapse the earth. Raka was a ghost that was like a devil. He had a superpower named Reflection Snatcher. He attacked on hotels, restaurants, police stations, schools, large buildings, etc. The reflection of the policemen snatched and they became statue. Ali went to Den Towers to take the special powers called Pinex and Snake. Orion's enemy, Varak, came back to the city and said loudly, "I am back to the earth and now I will destroy the planet Earth." Ali tried to attack on Varak, but Varak understood what trick Ali will apply on him. Thus, he started flying in the air and soon he landed on a building. Then, he attacked on the nearby building. Ali flicked up the magical stick that he had and due to it, Varak lost all of his powers. Varak flew back to the room in which King Margot's powers were to take a power because he lost all of his powers dually. Margot was the father of two brothers, Varak the Caribel and Varak. Varak the Caribel and his clever brother, Varak, came in front of Margot. Varak came in front of Margot and said, "Sorry, I was failed to survive their powers as they were too powerful. How can it be possible? We are more powerful than the humans." Margot shouted. Ali came to the ghost mansion by chasing Varak and locked the main door when Varak went inside. Margot had an emergency to get out of the city. He tried to open the door and he found it locked. He took the laser gun and cut one half of the door. After this, he went out of the city to free his boss, Master Longinol. Master Longinol was imprisoned before 100 years. At that point of time, according to the story time, he will be free and will come out of the prison in a month. In a month, Varak the Caribel and Margot made their robot soldier army consisting of millions of robots. The month was passed and the time to free Master Longinol came. Margot and his two sons went to free Master Longinol and his soldiers that were imprisoned in the prison which was located in the abyss. The prison was the home of powerful ghosts and monsters. After Master Longinol was free, he died at the first night. Margot and his sons were sad because Master Longinol died and no powerful ghost or monster but only Neen was there. They don't know when Neen will be free. Because of this incident, they were all sad. Neen was the first powerful monster in the world. In the prison, there was an old glass. All the ghosts and monsters believed that there is Neen inside that glass. They used to pray that glass and send request to Neen so they can come outside the prison. Every day, Neen comes in the prison and chooses a ghost or a monster to fight against their enemies. One day, Neen came in the prison and chose Lingo to fight against their enemy, Ali and the gatekeeper Maya. Next day, Varak the Caribel fought against Ali and Lingo fought against Maya. While fighting against Maya, Lingo lost his all powers that Neen had given him. That was a good thing because Lingo has to work for negativity. Lingo has to use his powers for negativity as he was forced by Neen. Lingo became normal. Varak the Caribel attacked on Ali. Ali jumped and hit hard with his hand on Varak the Caribel's head as he gave up. Nojestina, the lady who made these all powers, came to the city where these wars were going on. she saw that negativity is fighting with positivity. So, she went where Raka was laughing on statues and attacked on him. Raka don't know that Nojestina attacked. Nojestina attacked on his neck and finally Raka died. After Raka died, all policemen became normal. A day came that the glass of Neen blasted and Neen came out of it. He went to all the prisons and unlocked all the ghosts and the monsters. Then, he went out of the abyss and started attacking here and there. Nojestina saw Neen attacking and said, "You came out of the glass, but not in the world of ghosts and monsters. You came in wrong way." Imperex, the monster magician, came there. He laughed and said, "You powerless woman came here not reign but to die." Nojestina became very angry as she flicked her magic wand and Imperex died. Varak saw his brother and Imperex died and started his drill machine that mines the earth. He laughed so loudly and said, "Ali, Maya and Nojestina, you can't stop my drill machine until you destroy it, but I will not let it destroy it. You have no choice. You have to die now." Because of the drill machine, the North Way clock started moving anticlockwise, and it can be so harmful for the earth if it rotates anticlockwise, and it happened. To stop the North Way clock, they have to destroy the drill machine, and to destroy the drill machine, they have to kill Varak. Loudres Lord, the master of all the mutants, Ali, Maya and Nojestina, went to Varak and fought bravely with him. He defeated Varak and destroyed the drill machine as the North Way clock started moving clockwise. Loudres Lord went to the city where war was going on. He went there with Ali, Maya and Lingo to fight with them. They all attacked silently at back of the army group and killed all of them. Neen saw them and attacked on them. They defended themselves and killed Neen. That was the end of the monsters and ghosts who used their powers for negativity. Now the planet Earth was safe.